Hey everybody, this is a contest reminder to please get in my 300 subscriber contest that I'm having going on right now until midnight, Monday, midnight Central Standard Time. That's Monday, May 13th, Central Standard Time, on which I will be doing my drawing May 14th on my On Track Tuesday show, which will be 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So please get in the contest. Right now, I have very few people entered. I have John Dilly, Hot Rod Rodney 25, Drew Steele, Cloverdale Rail, Randy Dale, and I also have BNSF Dave, retired semi-driver. And Jeff Allen is in it as well. Sorry, I almost forgot Jeff. That's all I have in my contest so far, so those are real good odds to win a prize for those guys anyway. So please go to the previous announcement video, the rules, just go follow it. Email me your answers. It's easy. You go to the On Track Tuesday episode where I introduced my dog. Tell me what day it was, his name, and a timestamp. Simple. Okay? So get in the contest, guys. There's not much time left, but enough time to get into the contest, okay? So please get in the contest, and I will catch you guys Tuesday when we have a drawing for some nice prizes, which you'll see in the announcement video if you go back. So thank you, guys. Thank you for your support.